welcome back. Today I'm with my daughter Nolan, and we're going to be doing what's called the Rose Bun. So we're going to start out with just a basic ponytail, and you're going to start braiding just a regular 3-stranded braid.
And my feet are in the way.
You're going to keep the braid nice and loose. And when you get about halfway, you're going to start pancaking. You're going to start pancaking it. Make sure to keep it really large. You're going to keep that really, really big. Then you're going to finish the rest of the braid. And then you're gonna pull it all out again. Are you gonna say anything, or are you just gonna make noises? Can you say something? What's your favorite animal?
Lion.
What is it? I know what it is.
Lion.
That's not an animal. Her sister's not an animal. Okay, there's your finished pancake braid. And at the end, you're just gonna pinch it, and you're gonna start wrapping it slowly around the head. Now when you get to the top part, you're gonna put it in the other side. And you're gonna start taking a couple bobby pins, and you're going to be putting them carefully in each spot. So, turn this way. It's going to be in between, in between the pieces. Now when you get all the way to the bottom, you're gonna put another one.
Mommy, it's dark.
And then when you get to the top, when you get to the very last piece, you're going to, turn. You're gonna pull up the flower pieces and kind of tuck it underneath everywhere. And then when you get to the very end, you're gonna put your last bobby pin.
Bobby? What's a bobby pin?
A bobby pin so it keeps it in place. Okay, so there it is, all tight. So what I'm gonna go do is I like to kind of just pull it out so it looks more of like a loose rose rather than a tight one. And then your